What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today is Melanin Mondays. I'm super excited, guys, because today I'm gonna be spotlighting a Black creator and braider and hairstylist. Her name is Stasha Harris. If you guys know any of the Magic Finger collabs that she did with Shine and Jam, there's like a mousse, a braid gel, an edge gel. Then today we're gonna be using her braiding hair, and it is 3 times pre-stretched 52-inch braiding hair. And I'm super excited to try this hair out because a lot of people had asked what I thought about it, especially since I've done reviews on her other products before. So today I'm going to be creating 2 braids using this product, and off the bat I absolutely love the length of it because it is really hard to find longer pre-stretched hair that is of quality, so that was definitely a plus for me. The texture of this hair is very similar to Expressions and Rasta Free. If you could mix the 2 together, then it would be this texture. I wasn't able to find this braiding hair in person at my local beauty supply, so I did buy it offline. It was $7.99 a pack, and I believe I bought somewhere between 5 and 10 packs of braiding hair. For this look today, I'm using 1 pack of braiding hair that is 1.5 bundles per braid. So there are a couple things that I'm looking for when choosing a braiding hair. One of those things is going to be the texture of the hair, and the reason why is because you can get hair that feels like plastic and sometimes it burns your fingers, and so that's why I choose braiding hair like Expressions, because it does have a softer texture to it. This was really in between, so I didn't really have an issue with that. Second is, does it blend well with my client's hair? I typically like to use braiding hair that has those ridges in it or some type of texture to it, because not only does it grip better on my client's hair, but it also mimics their texture, and that's really important, especially when you are tucking or just feeding in the hair. Not only do you want it to be able to grip onto their hair, but you also want it to look like their natural hair, especially when creating any type of feeding style. The last thing is going to be how well does it dip and how well do those ends seal. Does it turn out silky, or can you tell that it's like matted at the bottom? And this braiding hair really hit all of those areas for me, so it is something that I would purchase it again. The last thing would definitely be my color options, and this is available in, so far as I can see, all of the natural colors, so like 1B, 2, and 4. I haven't seen any extreme colors yet, but that's okay because I also have other brands that I use for that. But I was really excited to just give this a try out, and I can say that it met all of my expectations. I think that I'm just so used to the Expressions texture that I will probably stick to that braiding hair. And also this one just wasn't easy for me to find because it's not in the beauty supplies by where I live yet. But I would definitely recommend this braiding hair for anyone who wants a long style and hair that is pre-stretched and ready to go. And also I love to support Black creators, so I was just really excited that I could purchase you know, even just a couple packs of this just to show my support. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me finish off these 2 braids. My 2 clients were actually in a video shoot this day, so I did not only her hair but also her little sister's hair, and I'll throw in a couple pics of that at the end of this video. But I'm just gonna let you guys vibe out, and I will catch you guys at the end.
Day one, tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. I used to let 10 but the one for me. You get off at 6, you should come vibe. Play your favorite song, singing all of me. I'm just trying to build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather. When the sun goes down, I'll still be around for you. Here for all of that, yeah. No, I got you back, yeah. You my right hand, but I ring the match. On your left hand, you my better half. Lost in your love and I can't get back now. Fight for your heart and I will not back down. Baby, won't you come with me? I'm just trying to chill. I'm just trying to live with my day one. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressing a kid with it. But you breaking them necks, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Girl, it's on sight, and she know that. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Shawty, you bad and you know it. I'ma say less, let me show it. You can be my queen if it's fun with you. Baby, I'm just trying to spend time with you. Stepping out with your girlfriend. You got work in the morning. I pull up on you like Jordan, just to show you you're gorgeous. God ain't cutting no corners. So let me know what's up. Playing hard to get. Why you acting tough? Got me cracking up. Gives me every time, yeah. I see it in your eyes. Girl, it's on sight, and she know that she a little bad. Hit her with the bag.
Alright guys, so here we are coming up on the finished look. I'm so sad that I didn't get to show you guys the ends of her hair. I don't know what I was thinking, but I did want to show you guys how it dipped, and I didn't get to do that in this video, so hopefully I will be using it again in the future, and I can show you guys up close. But I'm going to reveal the style for you guys. I used all of Sasha's products to create this look, so everything from her Magic Fingers collection, including the mousse, the edge control, and her Magic Finger Shining Gem, and yeah, now her braiding hair. So I'm super excited about that. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys like Melanin Mondays, and this is something that you guys want me to keep doing, because I have so many Black businesses that I want to help support or just like inform you guys about. So as always, thank you guys so much for the support on this channel. I'm going to include some pictures of the finished look at the end of this video, and as always, I thank you guys so much for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?